Radio One, musique, info et vous
sur le www.r1.mu.
Today is another momentous day in the history of Mauritius-India relationship. It is a fact that India has accompanied Mauritius all along its journey towards socio-economic progress. The inauguration of the new Supreme Court building marks another significant milestone in the modernization of our country's infrastructure. It is yet another achievement that has been possible thanks to the financial assistance from India. Indeed, Government of India has provided the grant of $30 million for this project. May the truth and justice always triumph in this new Supreme Court in the spirit of Satyamev Jayate, the Sanskrit mantra of truthfulness and national motto of India, which has been inspiring our people generation after generation. Long live the India-Mauritius relationship. Thank you for your kind attention. Dhanyavad.
Today, we celebrate yet another landmark in the special friendship between India and Mauritius. The new Supreme Court building in Port Louis is a symbol of our cooperation and our shared values. Both India and Mauritius respect our independent judiciaries as important pillar of our democratic systems. This impressive new building, with its modern design and construction, is a mark of this respect. I am happy that this project has been completed on schedule and within the initial estimated costs.
Radio One
Sur le www.r1.mu.